Hey, welcome my YouTube friends. I have something special to show ya. This is my Let's Go Somewhere album. It's totally made out of file folders and it's a wonderful album, and it features my floating folio hinge that I come up with. This album measures 10 by 10. It's a pretty big album. And then there's the spine of it. I double cardstocked it, and there's the back of it. And I used the Bro and Company paper by Simple Stories. It's several years old, but I need to put my son's pictures in here. Oh, beautiful album. All right, so it opens up. And like I said, it's totally made out of file folders. So this opens. This is going to be hard to keep on camera. Then you have a little tuck spot here for some photo mats. And then I just made a little booklet here, left the inside blank. This was a very fun album to make. And I do have the tutorial. You can purchase it on my website. So there's that. And that just closes. And look at that. Oh, this paper was amazing to work with. Amazing. And there's my floating folio hinge. So this opens up. Oh, it was such a fun album to decorate. Fun album. Then I just made a little booklet here. And it just slides back into here. Love it. Love it. I used the little brads from the collection. And then this opens up. So if you like file folder albums, this one's going to be right up your alley. Then this opens, so you can journal here, put a picture here. And then we have a pocket here with some tags. Yeah, I about ran out of paper. We about didn't have enough paper to decorate this. I decorated this over on my Facebook page. Okay, then you have a pocket here, and this slips out, and this flips up like this. And then this goes in here and helps hold that all in place. Then we have a double stack pocket here. Okay, you have a pocket here and a pocket here. Oh, this paper, I just love this paper. I wish they'd come out with some more boy paper. There just ain't enough boy paper. I mean, you can find all kinds of girl paper, but boy paper. And then these just flip up, and I left the backs of them blank. Okay, I left it for photos. All right. Did you see that? I do not have that glued down. Is that one glued down? Nope. Oh my word, Vanessa. You are slacking on the job. I'm a slacker. That flips open, and you put a photo journal. Then you have a pocket here. This one I made a little booklet. Okay. And it just slips back in there. Then again, another pocket on the back. That holds that down. That flips up. So yeah, let me know what you think about this album in the comments. If you would like to make one. Do you love file folder albums? Do you hate file folder albums? Let me know. I've done quite a few file folder albums. In fact, I have another one that's going to be releasing here just real soon. I just left this one blank here. Now this one I did do a couple of just little tuck spots. I done it on both sides. Okay. But yeah, I do have another one coming out. I love file folder albums. And then that flips. Beautiful. I just love the look of that. I love it. Okay, that opens up. I'm all on camera. Then you have a little booklet here. And then you had some tags here. I left those blank. A lot of times I leave the tags blank and leave them for the photographs, and then you're journaling. But that is the Let's Go Somewhere album. I done it with a Bro and Company paper from Simple Stories. It's really easy to make. In my tutorials, I give you the cutting guide, the written instructions, and the process videos. In this one, I give you in the process videos, I go through the cutting aspect of it. So I cut the file folders right along with you to help you out. Okay. All right. Let me know what you guys think. I'm curious. I'm always curious. All right, guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and we will talk to you later. Bye-bye.